Hi and welcome back to Sentinel. In this training lab we're going to go ahead and enable the Fusion engine or Fusion rule. And if you notice, this is done slightly different because if we come back down into our configuration, go to our analytics blade and click create, we don't see it here. That's because Fusion is a template. So let's click on templates, click add filter, select rule type, and let's select Fusion and click apply. Now this brings up our Fusion rule over here. So we go ahead and click create rule. And if you notice, once the wizard runs, we can't do too much. It's set up by default. So we're going to have to leave it at that name. We click next to configure Fusion. And of course, coming down here, we can actually turn stuff on and off that we need. You know, do we want in-router protection or 365 or Defender for cloud apps or Defender for our local servers or our IoT devices, sorry, or Defender for Office 365. So you can cherry pick and, you know, you can kind of turn stuff on or off, depends on your environment. But for our lab, we're going to leave it all turned on. I'm going to go ahead and click next on automated response. We're not going to worry about an automated response. I'm going to go ahead and click review and create. And this is going to go away and it's going to give us some information. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. And that's going to go ahead and save that rule for us. And that rule is now known as the multi-stage attack detection rule. And there we go. Fusion rule has been enabled. So there's not much to it. It's just knowing where to go and what to do. So I'd like to thank you for viewing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lab.